Tired of cookware that sticks, scratches, and doesn't last? Meet Carotte. Reason number 1. Ultra-durable die-cast aluminum body ensures long-lasting performance. Lightweight design makes cooking easier without compromising on quality or strength. Reason number 2. 21-piece set includes everything you need for everyday cooking. From frying pans to saucepans, casseroles, and even utensils, it's all here. Reason number 3. White granite nonstick coating is 10x better. PFOS, PFOA free. Cook healthier meals with less oil and enjoy effortless cleanup every time. Works on all stoves, including induction, thanks to its magnetic base. Quick, even heating saves time and energy for a better cooking experience. Carotte ensures quality with strict inspections and a satisfaction guarantee. Ready to upgrade your kitchen? Click now to grab your Carotte cookware set. Don't wait. Transform your cooking game with Carotte today.